In this video, we're going to take a look at how we can use the skill of expanding out a single bracket in order to find values of a and b to make an identity true. Looking at the example on the left-hand side, the given identity shows that the left-hand side for all values of a and x will be equal in value to all values of x and b on the right-hand side. So expanding out the brackets, a times 5x will give 5ax, and multiplying a by 20 would give 20a. This will be identically equal to 10x plus 4b. Now looking at the coefficient of x, 5a must be exactly the same as 10. To create an equation 5a is equal to 10, this leads to a must be 2. If a is 2, the second term, 20a, would become 20 times 2, which is 40. This means that 40 must now be equivalent to 4b. If 4b is equal to 40, this means that b must be 10. And I've now answered the question by finding the values of a and b. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So like with the previous example, the first thing I needed to do was expand out the bracket. So a times by 4x and a times by 35. A times by 4x will give 4ax, and a times 35 will give 35a. We know that this is identically equal to 16x add 5b. So equating the coefficient of x, 4a, and 16 will give 4a is equal to 16, which leads to a is equal to 4. If I now know that a is equal to 4, the second term, 35a, will now become 35 times 4, which is 140. So now equating 140 with 5b will give 5b is equal to 140, and dividing both sides by 5 will give 28. I've now answered the question by finding the values of a and b.